Unwarranted attack on our governor, His Excellency Paul Simba Arati. We are incensed. We are not happy. We are concerned that the harassment and intimidation of our governor has gone howry. We cannot describe it. We can't condone it any further. They started slowly. They even went to the stadium. They even went to his home. Now they are threatening to get hold of him. We have no problem if he has committed an offense. But now that he has not committed any offense, which we know, we want to demand answers. Why is the government, and particularly the CCIO, the count commander, the count commissioner, and the other officials here in Kisii and in Nairobi, why are they interested in Simba Arati? Yes. What is the problem? Has he killed anybody? No. Has he killed anybody's child? No. Why are they interested in Simba Arati? Simba Arati is one out of 47 county governors.
Yes.
What crime has he committed?
We want to know.
And these people, they are very interesting. They simply come, when you ask them, Simba asks them, what are you doing? They say, we are relaxing, we are just passing and we drifted. That's nonsense, that's stupidity of their nature. Yes. We demand that these things must now stop.
Yes.
These things must stop immediately.
Yes.
Stop. Our people, the people of Kisii County, we are asking you, are you not seeing what's happening?
Yes.
If you are seeing what's happening, we are calling on you, and you are, as your chairman of ODM, we are calling, this is an ODM government in Kisii. Our ODM government in Kisii must be respected. It is a sovereign power which must be respected. So from Friday, 19th, I am asking my people, please come out. You don't have to come to Kisii town. Come out wherever you are. Let us demonstrate and ask. Let us have asking the government of Kenya, what has Simba done? Yes. So we want that one to be answered categorical, and if there is no answer, we will continue demonstrating for 2 weeks. Demanding that the CCIO must be arrested. She must record a statement. What is she planning? She wants to kill our child? Do you want our child to be killed? No. We must make sure that we protect him. We are now, even if you don't give him the protection, we are going to do what? Protect him. Simba, come here. What they are planning is that they want you not to do any development. Our Kisii people, we want development. So you come home, we will protect you, and we'll make sure that you develop this great count of Kisii. So from Kisii, kindly, we are requesting the president of this country. I know you are a person who is the leader, a source of unity. Please make sure that our son, Simba Arati, is...
Jina naitwa Mosoti Dennis, kiongozi wa vijana katika jimbo la Kisii. Leo hii tumejumuika hapa katikati ya mji wa Kisii, tukiwa tumekasirika kwa sababu ya vitendo ambavyo serikali kuu inamfanyia mheshimiwa gavana wa jimbo letu la Kisii, mheshimiwa Arati. Tumesema ya kwamba hatutakubali mheshimiwa Arati kufanyiwa intimidation, kufanyiwa harassment. Tunaomba serikali kuu ya kwamba impatie nafasi mheshimiwa gavana atimize agenda yake ya kufanyia wananchi wa Kisii kazi. Tunaomba serikali kuu, especially we are addressing mheshimiwa Kindiki, ya kwamba ingilie kati masuala ya usalama katika jimbo letu la Kisii. Sisi kama wafuasi wa chama cha ODM hatuna furaha jinsi ambavyo serikali kuu inamfanyia mheshimiwa governor vitendo vya kikatili na vitendo vya kinyama. Mtakubali? Tunataka kuambia CCIO wa Kisii hapa ya kwamba tutaanza maandamano on Friday na tutasema CCIO maasi. CCIO maasi. CCIO maasi. County commander maasi. County commissioner maasi. Otebaiga. Ese gigabana simba akorwa ni gugusi. Titoli go chiwanja nyone da KM. Igo togo sabe serikali ya ito ekura uno mosike William Ruto. We are not in a campaigning mood. We are not in a campaigning period. This is the time that Governor Simba Arati should be given time so that he can develop or can do development in Kisii County. Simba power. Simba ria. Mukiendelea hivi sasa tutajitokeza kufanya maandamano kila siku katikati ya mji wa Kisii kuonyesha ya kwamba hatutafurahia na zile vitano mheshimiwa governor anafanyiwa hapa Kisii.
Goro kwa Everin Mogire ndenetabangi na Kisii County ase party ya ODM Women League. Igo tore no gokumye buno mogusi te Kisii Island. Igo tore no gokumye bena abangi na bagusi. Inga inkyo mwana oito Simba Arati akoborigwa. Ningi akoborigwa abakungura mokure. Abakungu abangi na mora mokure. Omanyete ntuna chinda chito buna ntwa abangi na bagusi igo chigo tengeche kero mwana oito mumurago itwa. Ntomanyete inkyo mwana itakoborigwa. Ingie gabana yaito ya Kisii County ekoborigwa ekiageranja atomerwa abantu bagachikomoita ali bugirango bagwa kama sasi life abantu baito bagaitekigwa manyinga tugakira muno mogusi ntomanya tinge president ya Kenya ekoroku William Samoei Ruto ngai William ole ekero mogusi yago chandwa intubuna abangina William Samoei Ruto nigo gwato tebe tinga ntuma mamboga ni ntura akonya na ndorende ingige kogera otigeto mwana itago itwa ingige kogera kindiki ibaga kieri urweto mwana itako minyokigu totamanye tinga ingi akorete kindiki soka isiko otebenga ningige kogera gotome serikali ya ego chande gabana ya Kisii County soka isiko totebi nande intubura abangina naba na youth bakisi ngima abagusi bonsi nabagaka nabangina tuaragiriye getendeke nande nigo twakeragiriye ngabanyayibero abanyanda mwamu ababwate nkori mwamu batagete bashinde batagete cyane gabana nande bamanyekaine wae serikali abantu bamanyekaine bago cyande gabana lakini batigire bagendete go cyande gabana asa Kenya ngima ni tutobwate gabana ekominyokiwa ngasitinje gokoreka kibesa chia serikali kese ngurutole revenue ingiga kogera chibese gutokuru kawaida buna county chinde chionsi ingiga kogera chitari gutumika Kisii County chigo chatwanyora abanyayibero bachire baburukaniri chibesa chia sekeiru emiradi teyo egento mototakereti Simba Arati akora amagendero Kisii County totemosoke isiko Frank Rimototeli ingi omwana itakorete onye nabo intuna abangina mora igotogo soka turusi chianga otare bosa ase chigwiki ibere kwanzera chuma abangina totare nebisindire obyoka
Tebirenga muntu nde bwensi pio koira simbe kiaro okunirendoro ya muntu ki okunirendoro yaki intumuna abasaye gosase county ya Kisii ngocha katura maandamano totali korara nande Kenya ngima ne matenge keretu achakira maandamano igotoko babantaba be kabisa. So we are telling the agencies or the security agencies that if you are not going to respect Governor Simba Arati, tukichukua sheria katika mikononi yetu mutaona cha mtemakuni hatutarudi nyuma. We will make sure that Governor Simba